Hey, here we go. So this is Paul Sampson, and I am going through uploading a Blackboard test, uploading a test to Blackboard from a web document as shown to me by my good friend and colleague Matt Musumeci. Okay, so I want to kind of warn you ahead of time. I want to make this go as quickly as possible. So I have the handy dandy cheat sheet that Matt has given me. I also have saved the test quiz that I'll be using today. Okay. So the first thing that you will do is to highlight this spam. Now it's important that it is formatted correctly, like so. If it is not formatted correctly, it could be all kinds of issues. So I would just assume that you have access to the handy dandy cheat sheet and you know what I'm referring to as far as formatting correctly. So go to the link here. Bam. Okay, it used to work better than that. Control, click. And once again, I want to apologize if I seem a little bit testy or it's a little bit beyond my bedtime. But I told man I would knock it out tonight because I'm in the middle of filming videos for my class. So what's one more video beyond between friends? I do not have the time for this, so bam. Yes, here you go. So this is the College of Southern Colorado. Oh, wrong thing. Copy and paste the wrong thing. So when you click on the link, it brings you here. This is the converter that converts Blackboard, that converts these files into something that can be used by Blackboard. I'm not all computery like Matt. I'm sure there's a technical definition for it, but I am not at it. So homework quiz, bam. I need to fix the. Notice the star next to the correct answer here, here, here. Also, notice very important that each answer there is a space in between each question, and that this there's a little half circle deal after each letter. And this is actually a quiz that I have used in class. And so this is actually, we're going over the different cultures. I think this is for some of the physical geography and for the Nile River Valley culture as well as a little bit of a history. Okay, so once you create quiz, it will tell me how many questions I have. So it says this test seems to have 5 questions. Bam, the package is available. If it says less than the number of questions that you have, there's probably an issue with formatting somewhere in here. It didn't pick it up properly. Normally when I do that, it's normally a space or something that I haven't done. So click here. We'll give you the option to download. Bam. It's no need for you guys to see all the junk I have downloaded, but it goes when you download it since I've already pre-downloaded something for us. I've already pre-downloaded this. All right, next thing we have to do is go to Blackboard. Now you will see some of the reason why I have spoken so quickly, and I'm trying to get this done quickly because Blackboard is moving very, very, very slow. Blackboard is notorious for breaking the nerve and will of teachers. All right, let us hope that this is different tonight. Bam, go to educators. Okay. Go to move course tools, and then for course tools, we'll go to test surveys, pools, boom, boom, boom. Go to pool. The pool is a set of questions, so technically this is a pool. Bam, we all have homework quick. Now look, I'll show you what it looks like just so you'll see, but I've already imported this so I would not look like a doofus. I ran through it once so I would not look like a doofus, but that's how you would do it. So bam, let's just say if I wanted to attach it again, let me show you guys one more time. Go back, browse my computer. Let's say if I want to do it again, I already had this one saved. Bam. So I would submit it, and here you go. Okay, so now the pool. This has been uploaded into my content collection in Blackboard. Now what I have to do is I'm now actually able to create a quiz or an assessment. So I would go, my edit mode is on. I would go to assessment. If your edit mode is not on, this navigation bar will not show at all, and Blackboard will be even more difficult than it normally is. So go to create a new test, and this is the one that I was working on earlier, just when I was going through my trial run to make sure that I did not seem like a complete idiot, blabbering idiot when I went through this. Bam, here you go. Test name for it. Okay, so what you want to do is go to reuse, find questions, and this should allow me to find the pool of questions. Yes, now you see why I was going fast. Okay. And I'm sure it's just me being impatient, but come on, man. Let's get this thing going. Find questions once again. See what I'm talking about? Blackboard breaking men down. You see that? You see that? Okay, I will give this thing 30 more seconds. Then let's give it about 10 more seconds. Then I'll have to treat this just like I'm in the classroom and technology does not work. Technology does not work in the classroom. Boom, we would improvise. So we have to use our imaginations here. This is no different than a PowerPointer. It's no different than the responders or anything else in the class not working. So here you go. What I would do, we have to make our imaginations work. Let's try it one more time. Find questions. All right, Blackboard's doing what Blackboard does. So this is what I would do. First, I expect Blackboard to do that. That's how Blackboard gets down. So let us go to import test. This is the handy dandy import. Oh, wrong document. Bam, handy dandy document from the awesome Yusumechi. Whoa, man, what's wrong with me, dude? I'm losing my mind. I just pulled up the same one twice. All right, importing test items. Yeah, it's late. I need to get some sleep. All right, so this is what I would have done, man. You go here, bam, building and assessments in your class. What would have happened is what would have happened is I would have gone to reuse questions, find questions. There would have been a pop-up box that would allow me to choose the pool of questions, not just the pool of questions, individual questions in that pool of questions. From there, what I could have done is change the value for the pool. To be honest with you, you can go in and change it. I normally kind of let it roll. I normally go from there just to question settings here, and what the question settings would allow me to do. Maybe the old one is up. Oh, there we go. Let's see. All right, I might be living right. Let's see. The old one might be up. The one that I did as a trial might be up. No, I'm not living right. But what I would do here is go to question settings. Let's see if it takes us back here. And what it would do is allow you, this is what I normally work on. Scoring and display, I always go to specify random ordering of questions. And specify, I always randomize my questions and answers. So I always do that just in case you have kids cheating. Then you would go to submit. And in a perfect world, if this were working properly, I would take the edit mode off. And it would be in here. Edit mode is still on point. Blackboard is in its full Blackboard mode today. But if you want to take a look at, these are some of the other videos real quick. Take a look at. This is like how I have my unit set up along with the videos and my thumbnails that I have attached to my YouTube page for my flipped classroom stuff. So where is it? And then it would be here for the assessments, and I would just go to the assessments. And you can also set the assessments to be on for a certain time, to be the window, set the timer window, and all those things open so it can the students have an opportunity to take it. Hey, I apologize, Matt, but to be honest with you, it's probably best to see how this thing works in real life, because Blackboard has been known to give me a headache or two. So, yeah. I'll try to do it again tomorrow, but if not, this might be what we're rolling with. Hopefully Blackboard is not doing it too badly to us today. Later. Have a good day.